How to transfer your WhatsApp chat history without Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, WhatsApp has a new feature that is transferring your WhatsApp chat history without Google Drive. So, I'm going to teach you in few simple steps. First of all, open up your WhatsApp Messenger and then go to the settings on the bottom right. Then scroll down until you find chats, tap on it, scroll down and tap on transfer chats to iPhone. Now just tap on start. Scan the QR code on your new phone and register with the phone number, and that's it. By scanning this QR code, you can transfer your WhatsApp chat history easily and quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.